a very simple and effective strategy. And all you need is one indicator that is free on the trading view. Now, to begin, I'm going to just dive into what the indicator is and how you can get it. So first of all, it's called HASI. It's a Heiken Ashi candlesticks. You can get it on TradingView. Just go to indicators and type in, there it is, Heiken Ashi RSI oscillator. Cool. Now once you have that, I want you to have your settings on 14 and 1, right? Now I wanted you to notice something, right? This strategy really works on EuroCAD, right? I've had so many trades this week that I've won, and I can go back and just show you examples. So what's the rule? There's only one rule. So wait for price to come to the oversold or overbought area. You can see right there, right? Now, you can see right here, price came to your oversold. Now you want to look for a reversal signal, like a reversal candle, right? It's pretty much like a reversal candle. Cool. So you're gonna buy right there. And then right here, you're gonna sell. You can see that was overbought, right? You can see again, it is oversold here. So it is like in and out, you know what I mean? So it's a nice buy. So this right here, that's a nice sell as well, as you can see. So pretty much this was a very good day. As you can see, it's a very good day. You can see another buy right here. This one didn't last too long though. As you can see, oversold here. That was a losing trade. This one was a winning trade. There you go. As you can see. There we go. So you have it. It's quite simple. Backtest it before you try it on your live account. I do offer mentorship, so if you need any mentorship to become profitable, make sure to let me know and I will help you out.